I feel so good. I feel like that Beyonce song when she's like, ladies, leave your man at home. No shade, no tea to my girlfriend.
It's harder than I like to think, but it's easy when you're by my side. No point in calling, you just have to see the fundamentals of our life tonight. Cause I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like a mood, my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart. Killing time, we got nowhere to be. You're sending messages I can't ignore. No contemplating, come here close to me. I'm bored at home, can't leave the house no more. But I've been looking at a photograph of you, and I've been thinking about all the ways you move. This isolation got me feeling like I'm losing my love. Yeah, when I wake up I feel empty, not beside you. My whole life been searching just to find you. This quarantine, it hasn't got the right to keep us apart.
First statement, period. Okay, period. Now you guys know I'm playing in color this year, and I've always loved blonde weave. I've always been obsessed with blonde. I just never really got into it. And this wig, honey, this color, honey, ooh, bitch. Girl, you don't even have to be serving that much to be doing, like, I'm wearing a t-shirt and hoops. Let's start over. Today, ladies, I am bringing you Miss Kimani. Okay, Miss Kimani. You can stay. OUTRE, you can stay today, okay? This is part of their Color Bomb collection, honey. Their Color Bomb collection normally has some bomb, flawless, colorful, bright, vivid kind of hair. But now they came out with the blonde collection, sweetheart, and I wanted to do something more of a neutralish kind of blonde, so I got the Sandstone blonde. It's a dirty blonde. She's more brown. She has brown roots, honey, but she has the highlights of the lighter blonde in her, but she's mostly a dirty blonde, a dirty martini girl. When I went to go ahead and purchase this wig with my own coin, honey, I really wanted to try the buttery blonde, but she was sold out, so I went for the Sandstone. I have seen other people review the amber blonde, which is equally as flawless, equally as gorgeous. It did such an amazing job with the color. That is what's really getting me with this wig, with this unit, is that the color is perfect. I did not have to really color my part, as you guys seen. I really like sat here when I was off camera and played with the lace on my hand, and it was just beautiful, okay? It has some thickness to it, but it mostly reminds me of a good, and I mean a good dupe. It looks good. It's not too high of a part on my head. I have a 21.75 inch head, okay? Let me hear it in the back. I didn't have to cut my baby hairs, girl. These baby hairs came with the wig. Now, yes, you could make them shorter so they go into the wig a little bit more, so they're less obvious. I didn't mind. I actually wanted to show you guys what the baby hairs look like if you didn't cut it. So that is why I did. Would I go in and cut them? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, I would. They're a little long on me. However, I don't mind them right now. They look kind of good, kind of cute, kind of fine. I'll rock it out today. I'm okay with the part. I did go in and tweeze it just a bit, so it looked a little bit more realistic. So the part could have been left alone, but for the fact that I did tweeze it and that you can see it, This part is cute. Everything about this wig is just so girly, so feminine, so cute. Like, okay, some people might like how loose the waves are, how loose the curls are on this unit. I personally wish it was just like a little bit tighter. So it could feel more like a fresh hairstyle. At one point, I was thinking, did somebody try this wig on and send it back to Ebonyline, and then I got the retried on wig that wasn't cut, they just didn't like how the curls were? Or is this really how the curls are? Because I need to know. Outre, I gotta know. I was like on the fence of this is good versus this is bad. Like I find myself keep twisting, and you guys will know what I'm doing. I keep twisting the hair to make the curls pop and scrunching it, hoping that it would change. But for the most part, I really do not mind that the curls are loose. She comes in a number of colors. Mostly they specialize in the blonde, but it does come in 1 and 1B and a 613. Miss Kimani over here on my score level, let's play with her a little bit. I like her level of thickness. I don't feel like she looks thin anywhere. Kimani is giving me, she's a 9 out of 10, honey. For the fact that she fits my head perfectly, I have wiggle room. If I wanted to go ahead and add some baby hairs to this unit without touching my own hairs, I could. Because you guys know we struggle with my hairline, and she's covering my hairline. She's giving me what I need her to do. She's doing what I need her to do, baby girl. She's bringing out my alter ego. 9 out of 10. You know, just be mindful that she's still a La Synthetica, and La Syntheticas don't be liking being touched so much, okay? But other than the tangle and the shedding that I could foresee, the color's bomb. The freaking length on it is bomb. I'm 5'4", and she's 1B. She's like literally, as you guys can see, right there on my titty. She's cute. She is so freaking cute. Can you imagine her with a relaxed fit, like some sweats? You just go outside looking kind of cute. You got your shades, you got your t-shirt, maybe some shorts and some slides. Like, I could see how cute she would make the outfit just because your hair looks good, honey. I am promoting this wig for you, Outre. Call your girl next. I feel so good. I feel like that Beyonce song when she's like, ladies, leave your man at home. No shade, no tea to my girlfriend. Ladies, leave your man at home. The club's full of ballers and ballers on. It's 11:30 in the club. It's jumping. Okay, so that is the end of this video, love bugs. I hope that you enjoyed. Make sure you share it with a friend so we can be friends on the weekends, okay? I love you. Be safe, be happy, and most importantly, be you. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.